Hey friends, welcome back. If your Virgin Media 360 remote suddenly stops responding, don't panic, this is a very common issue, and most of the time it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through quick and reliable steps that usually get the remote working again in minutes. Start with the basics by checking the batteries. Replace them with fresh ones and make sure they're inserted the right way. Also look inside the battery compartment for corrosion or dust, because poor contact can stop the remote from responding. If batteries aren't the issue, the next step is repairing the remote. Put your Virgin 360 box into pairing mode by pressing and holding the standby button on the box for about 10 seconds. Then press and hold the TV and zero buttons on the remote together for another 10 seconds until a pairing confirmation appears on your screen. If the remote still doesn't respond, try power cycling. Unplug the Virgin 360 box from the wall for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Restart your TV as well. This clears temporary software glitches that often affect Bluetooth remotes. Remember, the Virgin 360 remote works over Bluetooth, not infrared, so it doesn't need a clear line of sight. Finally, check that your Virgin 360 box is running the latest software, as updates often fix remote connection problems automatically. If none of this works, advanced resets or Virgin Media support may be needed.